Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a power hour. I'm going to bring you tons of cleaning motivation to get up and tackle some things in your home all within an hour. This video also is in collab with two beautiful ladies here on YouTube, my girl Shanti and my girl Brandy. I have collabed with both of them in the past and they both are amazing, beautiful ladies. They will also be doing power hours as well, so definitely head over to their channel, check out their videos as soon as you're done watching mine to get tons of motivation. We're bringing you guys lots of cleaning motivation today. Let them know I sent you. Give them a big hello if you're coming over from either of their channels. Hello, thank you so much for jumping over here and checking out my channel. My name is Amber. I would love it if you would check out some of my other videos, and hopefully you love me and you decide to subscribe and stick around. So I'm starting off in my kitchen doing the dishes. Oh, you guys know I love the dishes. I'm going through the sippy cup and bottle phase right now. It's never ending. So I'm gonna get the dishes done, and my main focus was my kitchen today. I needed to just put in an extra love on my cabinets. You guys know, sticky fingers and all of that. So I like to at least wipe those down once a week. And then I didn't really have too much else to really do, more so the dining room. And I did get Ellie's room picked up since that's where most of the toys are. We're kind of transitioning into what we want to do with the rooms. So all the toys are currently in there, so that was a mess with just toys everywhere. And then the living room, if you guys didn't watch my last cleaning video, I told you that my 2-year-old broke our TV. So the living room has been pretty spotless, needless to say, since we don't have the TV working in there. So the only thing I needed to do in there was just pick up my desk area and wipe down the bottom of the fish tank because it gets pretty sticky from the kids touching it. And that's pretty much all I had going on for my cleaning list in this hour. And with my kitchen, it took me an hour. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and get some motivation to get up and tackle your home. I'm gonna put on some good music and let's get to cleaning.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you, that was brand new. Still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you, that was brand new. Still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
I've had quite a few people ask me about this mop and what I think of it. I will let you guys know that this is not a steam mop. It is just a spin mop. So my thing is, this thing literally does all of the work as far as like scrubbing. You literally just guide this thing. I love it, especially on my wood floors. Before, I have used a steam mop in the past and I liked it. but it got broke. The joys of kids. So I got this for my birthday. It was a birthday present to myself. Such an adult buying a mop for myself for my birthday. Mom life, adult life. But I love this mop, you guys. It literally has like been a game changer. I do love the old cedar mop more so like in the bathrooms, because I like to use bleach in there because I have boys and they pee everywhere and I don't like the smell of pee, and bleach gets rid of that. But this mop, I definitely would say if you're looking for something that's easy on your back, or if you're pregnant, or if you have any type of back problems, this mop is definitely a lifesaver. And I feel like for my wood floors especially, it really gets them clean and it just leaves such a nice shine.
So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. 'cause you don't need to be ashamed.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some motivation to get up and get some things done in your home. Don't forget to head over to Brandy and Shanti's channel and check out their videos if you need some extra motivation. If you're still sitting on your couch and don't want to get up, go check out my girls. They'll give you some more motivation to get it done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you as always. I'll see you guys in my next video.
So put your hands up. This is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go